Hello. Want to build a premium, data-driven property navigator for a real estate website? In this video, I'll show you how to create an advanced multi-level building map from scratch. You'll learn how to connect floors to interactive layouts, use templates with Handlebars logic, inject custom CSS, and add smooth pop-up animations using PicPoints. Let's get into it. First, let's create a new map, and then we'll add 4 scenes one by one. Once the scenes are ready, we can set the canvas image and size. Let's create a group for our new layers. We'll need it later on. Then, we'll use the pen tool to outline the levels. Using this tool, we'll trace the floors point by point, starting with the second, then the third, and finally the fourth. This will give us 3 interactive layers in the scene. Great, the layers are ready. Now, let's select them and configure the appearance for the entire group at once, setting both the main color and the hover color. The next step is setting up the tooltips for our layers. We'll set the Inherit from Parent checkbox to True in the Layers Tooltip section. After that, let's configure the tooltip settings for the group. First, we'll enable it, and then we'll define the template. Congratulations, our first scene is practically ready. All that's left is to configure the click action for the layers. In our case, it will trigger a transition to a new scene showing the corresponding floor plan. Now, let's set up the floor plan for the second floor. The process is exactly the same. We'll take the pen tool, trace the areas that need to be interactive, and then configure their tooltips. Let's set the Inherit from Parent checkbox to True. Next comes the real magic. We can add metadata to our interactive layers using attributes. In our case, we'll add the lot price, square footage, number of rooms, and availability status. And all it takes is just a few clicks. Once we have added the attributes, we'll fill in the values for each layer individually. Next, let's configure the group tooltip, as it's exactly what controls the look and feel of the tooltip on our layers, because the set Inherit from Parents options to True. As you can see, the template uses Handlebars to inject data from the layer attributes, which vastly expands our options for data customization. Let's see how it looks in preview. For now, we only see the raw data, so all that's left is to style it using custom CSS. Let's just paste our styles, and right away our tooltips will look much cleaner and more modern. Your interactive property navigator is complete. Copy the shortcode, drop it into Elementor or Gutenberg, and wow your clients. Thanks to Shadow DOM encapsulation, your custom CSS won't conflict with your theme. Download PicPoints on WordPress.org today and activate your 7-day free pro trial to unlock scenes, Handlebars templates, and custom attributes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next workflow.